So today started with this knackered old kitchen knife, which I then hand filed blunt, and then using a file I started shaping it, but then I used the hacksaw in the end. I got it onto the old belt sander just to see if we can get rough shape going on, and then started giving it a rough sharpen just on one side, so it's only got a single bevel, but I went 400, 1000, then leather strop. I then decided I was going to use a bit of the hardwood that I had kicking about and a bolt for the pins. More hacksawing to get the bolt to size. Okay, so now we've got the scales, the bolts and the blade. I stuck them all together with some Mitofar CA glue. I also knocked the crap out of those pins with a hammer as well. And back over to the belt sander to give the handle some shape. Gave it a couple of coats of Danish oil from Screwfix, this no-nonsense stuff. And then I gave it an extra little bit of polish. Look. Ooh! Is it sharp though? Yes. Yes, it is. So that is my single bevel marking knife that I made out of an old kitchen knife that was knackered and nasty. There you go. Just took a little while and a lot of Velcro grease.